Australia has no shortage of chicken sandwiches. You'll find them at fast food chains, cafes, pubs, convenience stores, and supermarkets. On the surface, they all look similar. Bread, chicken, sauce, maybe some lettuce. But if you look closely, there are actually two completely different kinds of chicken sandwiches. The first kind is built around processed chicken patties, meat that has been ground, shaped, and breaded to create a uniform product. These are engineered for speed, consistency, and mass production. The second kind uses real cuts of chicken, usually a whole chicken breast or thigh that's breaded or roasted. Today I'm looking at 5 chicken sandwiches commonly found in Australia that are basically fake because they rely on processed or reformed chicken. And then I'll look at 5 that are actually real, built around proper chicken cuts and traditional preparation. The McChicken is one of the most recognizable chicken burgers in Australia. It has been a staple of McDonald's menus for decades and is known for its simple construction, a sesame seed bun, shredded lettuce, mayonnaise, and a breaded chicken patty. The key detail, however, is the patty itself. The McChicken does not use a whole chicken breast. Instead, it uses a reformed chicken patty made from minced chicken meat that is blended with seasoning and binding ingredients before being shaped into a perfectly round portion. Once the mixture is formed into patties, it is coated in breading and partially cooked in large food production facilities before being frozen and shipped to restaurants. This manufacturing method allows McDonald's to maintain strict consistency. Every patty is the same size and thickness, which makes cooking times predictable across thousands of locations worldwide. However, this also means the sandwich is built around a standardized chicken product rather than a natural cut of poultry. The texture inside the patty tends to be smooth and uniform, lacking the visible muscle fibers you would expect from a whole chicken breast. While the McChicken remains hugely popular, it's fundamentally closer to a processed chicken product, similar to a large nugget than a traditional chicken sandwich. Hungry Jack's, the Australian franchise of Burger King, offers its own version of the classic chicken burger known as the Chicken Royale. At first glance, it looks very similar to the McChicken. The sandwich features a sesame seed bun, lettuce, mayonnaise, and a breaded chicken patty. But like its competitor, the chicken used here is not a whole fillet. Instead, the Chicken Royale relies on a formed chicken patty, produced by grinding chicken meat and shaping it into uniform discs before coating it in breading. This type of product is extremely common in large fast food chains because it offers several advantages. Formed patties are easier to freeze, store, and cook consistently. Because they are identical in size and shape, they also ensure predictable portion costs. The downside is that the meat inside the sandwich is highly standardized. When you cut into a real chicken breast, you can see the natural grain of the muscle fibers and the variation in thickness. With a formed patty, the interior is smooth and homogeneous. For most customers, the difference might not be immediately obvious, but from a culinary perspective, it's significant. The Chicken Royale may look like a classic chicken burger, but the underlying ingredient is still a processed poultry patty. Subway's Chicken Classic Sandwich is another product that appears straightforward at first glance. Customers choose their bread, toppings, and sauces, while the chicken itself is served as small pieces or strips that fill the sandwich. However, these chicken pieces are not freshly cooked fillets prepared in the store. Instead, they arrive pre-cooked and frozen, produced by large-scale food manufacturers before being shipped to Subway locations. The chicken is typically made from processed chicken breast pieces that have been seasoned and stabilized, so they maintain their texture during freezing and reheating. While the meat may originate from chicken breast, it has been processed and restructured rather than cooked fresh from a whole cut. This approach allows Subway restaurants to operate quickly and efficiently. Staff simply heat the chicken and assemble the sandwich with bread and vegetables. But the trade-off is that the sandwich isn't built around freshly prepared poultry. Instead, it relies on a mass-produced chicken component designed for convenience, which places it in the fake category. Red Rooster is one of Australia's oldest chicken fast food chains, founded in Western Australia in 1972 and now operating locations nationwide. While the brand is best known for roast chicken, its menu has also included chicken burgers that use manufactured chicken patties, rather than whole fillets. One example is the Red Rooster chicken burger and value menu items that use crumbed chicken patties supplied by manufacturers. These patties are made from reformed chicken meat, mixed with seasoning before being shaped into portions and coated in breading. The advantage of this approach is consistency. Formed patties cook evenly, store easily in freezers, and allow restaurants to produce sandwiches across locations. They are also less expensive than using whole chicken breast fillets. However, the processing involved means the meat inside these burgers lacks the natural structure of a real cut of chicken. Instead of visible muscle fibers and irregular shapes, the patties have a smooth interior and standardized appearance. While Red Rooster also sells products made with chicken pieces, burgers built around these crumbed patties rely on processed poultry rather than fresh fillets, placing them on the fake side of the list. Supermarkets across Australia also sell a huge range of pre-packaged chicken sandwiches in their refrigerated lunch sections. These are meant to be quick grab-and-go meals for office workers, students, or anyone looking for a ready-made lunch. While some varieties use sliced roast chicken, many versions include crumbed chicken strips or patties that are produced in large food factories. These pieces of chicken are prepared long before they reach the supermarket. The meat is shaped, breaded, and cooked in manufacturing facilities, then chilled and distributed to stores where it is assembled into packaged sandwiches. The goal is efficiency and shelf stability rather than freshly cooked food. Because the chicken has already been processed, cooked, and packaged before the sandwich is assembled, the final product functions more like a pre-manufactured lunch item than a freshly made sandwich. That heavy reliance on pre-cooked factory-produced chicken is what places many supermarket sandwiches on the fake side of the list. But not every chicken sandwich in Australia is fake. Some are built around real cuts of chicken, and that's where things start to get interesting. One of the most famous real chicken sandwiches in Australia is the KFC Zinger Burger. Unlike many fast food chicken burgers that depend on factory-produced patties, the Zinger uses a whole chicken breast fillet. The fillet is marinated and then coated in seasoned flour before being cooked using KFC's pressure frying method. Pressure frying allows the chicken to cook quickly while keeping the interior moist and tender. The Zinger Burger specifically uses a spicy seasoning blend in its breading, which gives the sandwich its distinctive flavor. Once cooked, the fillet is placed inside a bun with lettuce and mayonnaise. The most important difference between this sandwich and processed burgers is the structure of the meat. When you bite into a Zinger fillet, you can see the natural grain of the chicken muscle rather than the uniform texture of minced meat. This use of a real cut of poultry makes the Zinger one of the most recognizable real chicken sandwiches sold by a major fast food chain in Australia. Another well-known Australian chicken burger that uses real poultry is the Bondi Burger from Oporto. Oporto is an Australian fast food chain known for its Portuguese-style chili sauces and flame-grilled chicken. The Bondi Burger features a grilled chicken breast fillet that has been marinated in the chain's signature chili sauce before being cooked on a grill. Unlike breaded chicken burgers, the Bondi Burger focuses on the flavor of grilled meat rather than crispy coating. The fillet is served inside a bun with lettuce, mayonnaise, and Oporto's chili sauce. Because the sandwich uses an actual chicken breast rather than processed ground meat, the texture is very different from many fast food alternatives. You can see the natural structure of the meat and the grill marks from cooking. This combination of a real chicken fillet and fresh grilling technique places the Bondi Burger firmly in the category of authentic chicken sandwiches. One of the most common real chicken sandwiches in Australia comes from cafes and pubs, the chicken schnitzel sandwich. Schnitzel is a cooking technique that involves taking a piece of meat, pounding it thin, coating it in breadcrumbs, and frying it until golden and crispy. In Australia, chicken schnitzel is typically made using a whole chicken breast that has been flattened before being breaded and fried. The finished schnitzel is then served inside bread or a roll with toppings such as lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. Because the schnitzel is made from a whole piece of chicken, the texture and flavor remain true to the original cut of meat. Many cafes and pubs prepare schnitzel fresh in the kitchen, which further distinguishes it from frozen processed chicken products. This makes the chicken schnitzel sandwich one of the most authentic chicken sandwiches widely available across Australia. Charcoal chicken shops are a unique part of Australian food culture. These small restaurants specialize in roasting whole chickens on rotisserie spits. The chickens are seasoned and cooked slowly until the skin becomes crispy while the meat stays juicy. Many of these shops serve sandwiches made from freshly carved roast chicken. Instead of breaded patties or processed strips, the chicken is taken directly from the roasted bird and placed inside a soft roll. Typical toppings include lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. Because the chicken comes directly from a whole roasted bird, the flavor and texture are completely different from processed poultry products. These sandwiches highlight what a chicken sandwich looks like when it's built around real roasted poultry rather than processed meat. In recent years, Australia has seen the rise of restaurants specializing in Nashville-style hot chicken sandwiches. This style of sandwich originated in Tennessee in the United States and focuses on large pieces of marinated chicken that are breaded, fried, and coated in spicy seasoning. Restaurants such as Bell's Hot Chicken helped introduce this style to Australian diners. These sandwiches typically use whole chicken thighs or breasts, marinated in spices before being dredged in seasoned flour and fried until crispy. The chicken is then placed on a soft bun with pickles and sauce. Because the sandwich uses a large natural cut of chicken rather than a formed patty, the texture and flavor are noticeably richer. That emphasis on real poultry and traditional frying methods places them firmly in the category of real chicken sandwiches. When it comes to chicken sandwiches in Australia, the biggest difference isn't the bun or the sauce. It's the chicken itself. Some sandwiches rely on processed patties designed for mass production, while others are built around real cuts of chicken that are grilled, fried, or roasted fresh. And once you start paying attention to that difference, you'll notice it everywhere. Because at the end of the day, a real chicken sandwich always starts with actual chicken. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments your favorite chicken sandwich in Australia.